Hey guys, this is EnderKittieGaming, meow. And today, the saddest things ever happened. Let's go look. Okay, so I was walking out here, sitting on this little chair, and I was like, oh, I need to check on the eggs. So, went out here. This door. Did the birdhouse. And here it is. Well, the things are closed. And it's like, oh my god, there's only 2 eggs. 2 eggs. It's like a rodent could have been here, or the mom kicked it out for some reason. Oh yeah. And then I started walking around, looking on the ground for some type of egg, and boom, there it is. It wasn't eaten or anything. But if you look inside, if it will let me, nope, it won't let me. But from my view, there, I can see a wing and a little piece of, it's like breast, his breast area. I don't know if it's a he or she, but anyway, that's what this video is for, and yeah, just to let you know, they're Robbins eggs, since they're pink. Looked it up online, FYI, and yeah, there's only 2 of them now. That one is definitely gonna die one day, and probably is already. Sad thing is, I'm probably not gonna see that. You're probably not gonna see it in the next video, because we have a mole, and honestly, I'm pretty sure moles eat dead anything. So, bye guys.